Discord has it. And today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a noise only with cans, a loud noise only with cans. Yeah, and just like if you want more things like this, and tell me if you want more of this, or subscribe to show me you want more like this, and I'll do some pranks with this. I'll do some weird things with this. I don't know what I should do with this, but I'll like blow it in someone's ear or something. But all you're gonna do is get the hand work like this, as you can see, like this. You hold it like that, and there has to be nothing in it, and it has to show. It could be a beer bottle, it could be any bottle. If it's a length bottle, you know, those kind of mother bottles, yeah, that's gonna be a little bit hard, but I'm not gonna show you that because I can't do that. I haven't get to that yet, but you can also walk and do this, but I'm gonna be showing you how to do it. So you gotta get it close, to really close, and then blow on it. And I'll do it one more time, and you can do that with pranking and everything. But you just gotta get it really close, and when it pulls in, that's really good. So then blow harder when it pulls in. And guys, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe if you want more like this, and tell me if you want to make me do a prank of this. And yeah, see ya.